Sito, ang nabili lang nila is 1% of our harvest, no? Itong cropping season. So, maliit talaga ang nabili nila. Yung 160,000 metric tons, sabihin natin, wala pang 16,000 tons ang nabili nila. Maliit talaga ang nabili ng NFA. So, yung programa we think is kung i-continuous ng Cebu, baka lahat na bigas ng NFA may bibigay sa Cebu. So kung in case na may emergency, wala nang mabigay ang NFA.
Kung magaya ang Cebu katulad nangyari sa Tacloban, na Yolanda, sa Mindanao na Sendong, etc., wala silang kakainin bigas dahil mauubos lahat ng stock. Now, Kalyoni, 16 metric ton. Kalyoni, hindi ba ang requirement dapat na buffer stock natin, which is not even ideal, is 300,000 metric tons?
Alam ko daily requirement natin nationally Sito is about 37,000 tons of rice a day. So,
okay, yung kinakain natin yun. Pero yung dapat itago...
Yun yung demand, yes.
Yung dapat itatagong palay o palay yata ng NFA is supposed to be 300,000 metric tons. Am I correct?
I-multiply mo dapat yun ng at least, in general, at least 15 eh. Kasi we should have, I think, as far as I can recall, ang overall policy ay on a daily basis, dapat ang average na reserves natin ay good for 15 days. So i-multiply mo yung 15 days sa 37,000 tons, you're looking at roughly what? 500,000 500,000 tons. Doon sa figure ni Sendo kanina, which I think is roughly correct, ang nabili lang yata ng NFA mga 37,000, 150,000. So napakaliit po ng ating reserve stock na hawak po ng NFA. Ayun, kung lalabas pa yung tulong nila sa province of Cebu for its rice subsidy program, baka pagdating po ng El Nino, ibang bagyo later on, hirap na ngayon ng NFA na makapag-provide po ng relief goods and rice sa DSWD. So that will be a big problem down the road, Sito, soon. Yung supply po ng NFA for as relief in case of calamities going down the road.